According to a 2020 study, an estimated 41.6% of the U.S. population has vitamin D deficiency. This means that over 130 million Americans are not getting enough of this essential nutrient. Vitamin D deficiency is also a major problem worldwide. A 2021 study showed that over 1 billion people worldwide are vitamin D deficient. This represents about 25% of the global population. First, let's see how important this vitamin is for your overall health. Number 1. Immune system support. Vitamin D is essential for a well-functioning immune system. It plays a role in regulating the immune response and helps your body defend against infections and illnesses. Number 2. Bone health. One of the most well-known functions of vitamin D is its involvement in calcium absorption. It helps your body absorb calcium from the food you eat, so that your body can transport it to the bones, which is vital for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Without sufficient vitamin D, calcium absorption can impair, increasing the risk of conditions like osteoporosis. Number 3. Heart health. Emerging research suggests that vitamin D plays a role in preventing heart diseases. It helps regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart-related issues. Number 4. Insulin function. Vitamin D is also linked to insulin function and plays an indirect role in diabetes management. In fact, adequate vitamin D levels are associated with better insulin sensitivity. In short, vitamin D helps ensure that your body can effectively fight off germs, your bones are healthy and strong enough, and your heart is in good shape. Now let's see what are the most common causes of vitamin D deficiency. One of the primary sources of vitamin D is sunlight. When your skin is exposed to ultraviolet B rays from the sun, it produces vitamin D. People who live in areas with limited sunlight, or those who spend most of their time indoors, are at risk of vitamin D deficiency. Another thing that's indirectly related to vitamin D deficiency is melanin, the pigment responsible for skin color. It has been observed that melanin reduces the skin's ability to produce vitamin D in response to sunlight. Consequently, individuals with darker skin may require more sun exposure to produce the same amount of vitamin D as those with lighter skin. While some foods contain vitamin D, it can be challenging to obtain sufficient amounts solely through diet. Natural dietary sources of vitamin D are limited, and fortified foods may not always provide the necessary levels. That's where vitamin D supplements come in. These over-the-counter supplements are becoming very common, but still, many people are deficient in vitamin D. Do you know why? Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by becoming a patron. There is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in the activation and metabolism of vitamin D. Without enough of this mineral, your body may not even be able to recognize that it has vitamin D. I'm talking about magnesium. Did you know that magnesium is known to be involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body? And activating vitamin D receptors is one among them. Vitamin D receptors are basically the proteins that allow vitamin D to bind to cells and exert its effects. Magnesium helps to increase the expression of vitamin D receptors in a number of cells and tissues, including the ones in the bones, muscles, and immune system. So without enough of it, all that vitamin D that you'd be taking from foods or supplements might just go to waste. Magnesium also acts as a cofactor for the enzyme that converts vitamin D to its active form, which is 1,25-dihydroxyvitamin D, also known as calcitriol. Calcitriol is the form of vitamin D that is responsible for most of its effects in the body. Now, about magnesium deficiency. It has been estimated that about 42 million people in the US and 1 billion people worldwide may have magnesium deficiency. Low magnesium levels can affect the gastrointestinal system, leading to symptoms like nausea and vomiting. Without enough magnesium, the muscles in your gut that control bowel movements and other digestive functions may get dysfunctional, resulting in nausea and vomiting. Magnesium is also involved in maintaining healthy blood vessels, including the ones in your head. Without enough of it, you may develop migraines and tension headaches more frequently. Muscle cramps and spasms, particularly in the legs, are another common sign of magnesium deficiency. Magnesium is essential for muscle contraction and relaxation, and its deficiency can lead to muscle cramping. Low magnesium levels can also affect nerve function, leading to sensations of numbness, tingling, and muscle twitches. Plus, it can also cause muscle weakness and fatigue. Magnesium also plays a major role in regulating the heart's rhythm and helps prevent irregular heartbeats. Low magnesium levels can contribute to heart palpitations and arrhythmias. So you can see how bad can a magnesium deficiency be, and how can you know if you are deficient in magnesium. Now let's see how can you get magnesium from a healthy, balanced diet. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, provide a good amount of magnesium along with other essential nutrients, like fiber and protein. Tempeh is a fermented soybean product that is not only high in protein, but also a good source of magnesium. Tofu, a soy-based protein, contains a significant amount of magnesium and is a versatile ingredient in many dishes. Nuts such as almonds, cashews, and peanuts are rich in magnesium and make for a convenient and nutritious snack. Seeds like pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and flax seeds are excellent sources of magnesium. They can be added to cereals, yogurt, or salads. Vegetables like spinach, Swiss chard, and kale are packed with magnesium. They are also rich in various other vitamins and minerals. Fatty fish like mackerel, salmon, and halibut are not only a source of omega-3 fatty acids, but also contain magnesium. Dark chocolate with high cocoa content is not only a treat, but also supplies a decent amount of magnesium. With healthy sources of magnesium, it's also equally important to learn about the factors that can affect your magnesium levels. For example, chronic stress, high cortisol levels, and anxiety can cause increased excretion of magnesium in urine. Drinking alcohol and smoking, too, can decrease magnesium absorption and increase its excretion through urine, potentially leading to magnesium deficiency in smokers and heavy drinkers. Certain medications, including diuretics, proton pump inhibitors, and corticosteroids, can deplete magnesium levels in the body. So if you have these conditions, or if you think you can't get enough magnesium from diet alone, you can consult your healthcare expert to get the recommendation for magnesium supplements. The recommended daily intake, or RDI for magnesium, varies based on age, gender, and life stage. Generally, most adult men need about 300 to 400 milligrams of magnesium per day, while most adult women need up to 310 milligrams of magnesium per day. But as I said a while ago, if you have specific health conditions or are taking certain medications, then you should discuss that with your healthcare expert and ask them about specific magnesium supplements to make up for your magnesium deficiency. Depending on your individual needs and health conditions, your healthcare expert may prescribe you magnesium supplements in the form of magnesium citrate, magnesium oxide, magnesium chloride, magnesium sulfate, or a few others. Besides that, ensuring that your diet includes a variety of magnesium-rich foods can effectively help you meet your daily requirements for this essential mineral. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.